did I commit? Can you tell me? What crime did I commit? Relax.
Don't worry about it. Come over here, Papa. They're right there.
What are you doing?
They're right there.
What's your name and badge number? Don't break my... What are you doing? Breaking my arm.
Yo, what are you doing, bro?
I just want to take some pictures here real quick.
For?
Huh?
For what?
It's just for my story I'm working on here in police stations here in Miami.
Alright.
Can I get your name and badge number?
For what?
What do you mean for what?
I'm willing to leave, sure.
So,
Are you going to write some paperwork up or something?
You can't leave yet.
Oh, I'm being detained for the crime of what?
Criminal trespass.
Criminal trespass? Okay, sure. All right.
What begins as peaceful filming on a public sidewalk quickly explodes into a full-blown rights violation, courtesy of a cop who seems more interested in flexing power than following the law. With no crime committed and no reasonable suspicion, this officer demands ID, issues threats, and even breaks a phone, all in the name of doing his job. But who's really breaking the law when intimidation replaces investigation?
You're blocking traffic,
Yeah,
sir.
bro.
I'm doing my job.
Okay. We didn't say nothing to you.
Pero since you're here,
We didn't say anything.
okay, no importa, pero now I'm saying it to you. Since you're here, I want to see both of you IDs.
What?
What? Is this a joke?
No, it's not. Do I look like I'm playing?
Can you call your sergeant?
Both of you IDs.
I don't have ID.
I need ID.
I don't have ID.
No, yeah, I'm gonna call my sergeant when I finish getting your ID.
I don't have
Okay,
ID.
so put your hands in there.
Is this a lawful order?
It is.
How is it lawful?
Because I'm
You
giving
know,
it to you.
listen, you
Okay, okay. So let's talk about later. Your hands behind your back.
You're being
Put your
recorded.
hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Your hands behind your
I'm
back.
not resisting.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, bro?
Put your hands behind your back. Come here.
I don't have ID.
I have a set of handcuffs for you.
I don't
too.
have ID. For what? What are you handcuffing him for?
Wait, call your sergeant. Call your sergeant.
I will.
What's the crime?
I will.
Relax.
What's the crime? What are you
What's the
doing?
crime? What
will.
crime did I commit? Can you tell me? What crime did I commit? Relax.
Don't worry about it. Come over here, Papa. They're right there.
What are you doing?
They're right there.
What's your name and badge number? Don't break my... What are you doing? Breaking my arm.
Yo, what are you doing, bro? Yo, what are you doing? Yo, llama a tu sargento. Dale. Tranquilo. Oye, mi teléfono.
What's your badge number, bro?
Recoge mi teléfono.
What's your name and badge number, bro?
Oye, recoge mi
Hey,
teléfono.
pick up his phone, bro.
now.
Pick up his
Recoge
phone.
mi teléfono, maricón.
Hey, what's your... Hey, listen, bro. Call your sergeant.
Call your sergeant,
Call
dog.
your sergeant. You're done, bro.
Call your sergeant, bro. Call your sergeant.
Call your sergeant.
Call your sergeant.
Name and date of
Did we
birth.
commit a crime?
Name and
Did
date
we
of
commit a crime? Is that a crime? What crime is that? What law is that? Listen. Let me tell you something, bro. Statute code 901, that's 151, brother. What crime did we commit? You know the statute 901, that's 151?
Okay, let's continue listening. Come over here. Have a seat. You sit on top of him.
No.
Yes.
I'm not sitting.
You sit on top of him.
No.
Yes.
I'm not sitting.
You sit on top of him.
No.
Yes.
I'm not sitting. Okay, I have a question. Why did you throw us in the back seat?
Because no los iba a tener en medio de la calle por gusto ahí.
walking in the
Papi,
sidewalk,
dame
you called us to
en la
your car,
acera.
bro.
Sí, pero you guys were handcuffs for my safety. No los iba a tener
Okay.
ahí para que
Safety,
fuera,
bro, but
para que
listen,
fuera
in
un
the car
espectáculo.
that you
No,
pulled
vamos,
over,
Okay,
listen,
okay,
papi.
it's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay, all kidding aside. The one who dictates how I do my job is me, not you.
I didn't take nothing.
Okay, so
was filming the
why
interaction
did I
that you-
put
that you- that the
why
car
did I
had.
put you in the back of my car? Why did I put you in the back of my car? Because I wanted to. Thank
You
you.
wanted to? Can you
Goodbye.
repeat that, bro?
Why did you let us
Because
go?
I
Paying me for what?
Because I wanted to.
Why did you let us go?
I wanted to.
You know you...
Vamos, a esperar ahí en el quesito.
Why did you let us go?
Because I have nothing to hold you for.
So you're telling us we can't stand here? We can't stand here?
Stand there.
All right, guys. So no, we're good, bro. All right, guys. So this is what you get. Miami's finest. What happened? If he's coming, we'll wait. But if he's not, if he, well, you know, you can.
Coming, I don't know when he's coming. I
you
requested it in front of
You
him.
can tell him to leave. That's
Well,
cool.
this is the
All right, guys. This is what you get. Miami's finest.
This is why we do what we do, guys. This is why we do what we do.
Papi, let me get it only in Dade.
Yeah, sure, man. El nombre quiere?
Only in Dade.
Only in day.
We just got this taking the back of the cop car for walking right here. and just filming this like this. And he called us to the car. We went to go see what he wanted, and he asking us for ID.
All right, guys, we got released. We're here on 47th Avenue. 47th Avenue, Northwest 7th Street, Miami Police Department. This officer went crazy. He released us. He looked up the statutes. He couldn't find anything to arrest us for.
Right here, guys.
He had to let us go. Bro, he looked for every law to charge us with.
For every law to charge us.
They're coming, wait, they're coming. No se vayan.
Come on, papi, there wasn't no need for this.
No se vayan.
No need for
Para que le cuenten a esa gente, papu. Para que le cuenten a esa gente, para que me dé paufado, así, mira. Ay.
Damn, you broke my phone.
Tú le dices how
Bro,
bad I
he
was.
broke his phone, bro. He broke Ragamonkey's phone, dog, as he was detaining him, putting him in handcuffs, dog. I was already cuffed right here in a matter of 20 seconds.
I broke his phone. Oh my God, I broke his phone.
We don't come try you guys like that, bro. But you guys look for the hate. You guys earn the hate. You look for the hate. You look for the hate, Papa.
Do you hate me?
You look for the hate.
Do you hate me?
I hate you because you're a bad cop, bro. You're a bad piece of shit. That's what you are.
Do you hate me? You want me to cry? You want me to cry? You want me to cry? Okay.
Papi, why are all you bike cops like that?
Eh?
We went to Wynwood and all your bike cops, they act the same way.
Imagínate tú,
Fuck on my wrist, dog.
Guys, he's gonna be here till 7 in the morning.
Just for walking right here. And the car that he had pulled over had drove away minutes before we got here because we were over there filming, walking all the way down here. So there was no interfering with no traffic stopping. That's not our law, dog. First of all.
All right, guys, so we're here with Officer Uncle Fester.
I've been told other things. Come on. Try.
You just did something? You just did
Papi,
something?
Papi,
for
you
nothing.
look
That's
like...
gonna get you in trouble, bro.
Really?
Okay, bro. You think that we don't play around, dog. We don't play around, bro.
You saw I don't play either.
Papi, I'm inspecting.
You saw I don't play with that badge. You saw I around with it.
You saw I don't play either.
You don't deserve to have that, Papi. You don't do that.
Listen, you're
innocent people that are walking by here filming an interaction right here that Diddy wasn't even here.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Papi, pon la luz de emergencia because you're blocking traffic. You're blocking traffic with no lights. You don't have your lights on, man. You don't look. You got a car behind you. Put your emergency lights, man. Unprofessional guys, man. Unprofessional department.
I really don't give shit, bro. Because I already got his information.
What's going on, Sarge?
What's up, Sarge?
Help you guys.
LT, we got a huge problem with this officer right here.
You want to tell him or I tell him?
Yeah, we need to file a complaint on this gentleman.
Why don't you tell me what happened, man?
Okay,
Yeah.
we were walking by like this. Look, like this. Check it out. Not like this. All we got here. He calls us to the car.
Why don't you stand over here where I can hear you, man?
Just letting you know what's going on. We get right there. The car you have to go back. Took away. We're walking down from the street over to the car, and then enseguida he just tells me, I need both of your IDs right now. But for what crime did we commit? But we're not IDs for what? We're walking by this filming, bro. He gets out the car and enseguida puts me in handcuffs, goes me back in the car along with this guy. Just because he wanted our information, bro. Fucked up my wrist for no reason. You guys know exactly who we are. We don't come look for it. We're not police agitators. We're not about that.
Doesn't know exactly who you are.
Even worse. Because if he did that to regular citizens, we do this. We're used to this.
Let me ask you a question, though. When he asked for your ID, did you give it to him?
I don't give
No, we
Joey's have to give your ID.
No, that's not the law.
Statute 901-151, unless I commit a crime about to or has. You know what else?
But you don't know if he thinks you committed a crime, right?
For walking in the
He
sidewalk?
couldn't
Listen
come
to me
up with
for a
nothing.
second,
He
guys.
couldn't come up with
Let me talk for a
anything.
second, okay? I'm Lieutenant Carpenter. Yeah, I don't know anything.
Lieutenant
You're
Carpenter,
gonna let me
man.
talk or no? That's the problem, is that you guys always see it from your side. You don't know if on the radio, and I don't know.
You haven't seen the video.
Are
We
you
have
gonna
the
let me
video.
talk, man? Are you gonna let me talk? Okay? You don't know if they just put out a bolo right now for a guy wearing all black. You don't know, right? Do you know? I'm just asking. And I don't know if that's what happened. But the problem is you guys got to look at things from our perspective, okay? When something happens and an officer asks you for ID, you can't be like, you don't got no reason. You don't have PC, you don't have, why are you stopping me? You don't know, man. That's why you guys got to do what you're told until you, no, listen to me. I'm telling you, this is how it works. This is 100% how it works.
Yeah, that's why we're out here.
Because
So
when
we're out here, we're not going to jail, right?
well,
If he paid a smart move and he didn't.
because whatever happened, he decided you weren't that guy.
But what
right?
ttitude did we violate?
What code is that?
This
That we
is the problem that
violate,
you guys have. You don't understand me. Anytime an officer is conducting an investigation, you got to do what you're told, my friend.
Who's sitting on the road?
You are not the person that decides that.
Officer, you don't know the law. You're just talking. You don't know anything, bro. You just...
And this is the problem that you guys have.
You don't know what... You're talking out of your ass.
The police
We're looking at it by the law.
The law, sir. The law. 901.151.
Then add me to your complaint.
Read me a
My name
statute.
is Lieutenant Carpenter. My badge number is
You're a lieutenant,
0867.
and you're
Yeah,
talking
your
like
ass
this
needs to
in
be
front of the
fired.
camera?
Exactly, because I know what I'm talking about.
You have no idea what you're talking about. All you know is the boot.
Take that to court.
You
and
want
see
the
who
internal
wins.
affairs directions? You need to know.
I know. We know internal affairs, sir. We know internal affairs.
Yeah. All right, sir.
So you're going to take our complaint?
You tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. So go ahead and add me to
All
it.
right, we need to file a complaint for discourtesy on this gentleman, for battery on this gentleman.
Yep.
Okay, but I just told you what happened and you're not listening. So
You have to listen to something that's not true.
okay,
bro.
so
You're full
like
of
I
shit.
said, so
You're
then
full of
add me
shit.
to your complaint and go to internal affairs.
Bro, you're a waste.
Have a nice day, sir.
You're Uncle Fester. Get away from me, bro.
You see how you're acting? That's why you get into trouble.
Fake ass Danny DeVito. Sir, we have First Amendment protected activity.
The First Amendment, free
You
press.
guys need to look that up. We gotta go to a call. Have a nice day, all right?
Go do some real work. Papi, mira. Go do some real work. Go do some real work, pal.
Go with your homeboys, bro.
This guy's like 5'2".
This video proves that not all threats come with flashing lights. Some come disguised as authority. The First Amendment means nothing if we stay silent when it's violated. Know your rights, document everything, and never let fear take the wheel. Because when cops act like tyrants, the Constitution becomes your only defense. Imagine walking into a public building, paid for by taxpayers, just to request a simple complaint form, only to be treated like an unwanted intruder. In this story, one man decides to test the boundaries of transparency and respect at 2 Florida police departments. What begins as a peaceful request quickly turns into a lesson on attitude, accountability, and the silent resistance of a camera lens. What will happen when the sergeant shows up?
Hello. Hi, how are you? What's his name? Hello. What's his name? Hello. Excuse me.
Need something?
Yeah, just asking for the dog's name. Wow, dude. Are you an officer?
Yes, sir.
Can I get your name and badge number real quick for being so rude?
I have no interaction.
Need something specifically?
Something like that. This is open right here to the public, correct?
It is.
All right, can you open the door?
Alright, give me a second.
Okay, I'm pushing it in. I'm pushing it. Okay, now you got it. All right, how you doing? No, I just want to take some pictures here real quick.
For?
Huh?
For what?
It's just for my story I'm working on here in police stations here in Miami.
Alright.
Can I get your name and badge number?
For what?
What do you mean for what?
What do you need it for? Officer
'Cause you-
Prius, 11521.
Okay, cool. And I need a couple complaint forms but now that I'm here.
Alright.
Complaints on an officer? On officers? Thank you. All right. All right, guys, so... This is a lot. Restricted area right there. This is the Coral Gables Police Department, guys. It's a nice building. It feels great in here. It's a nice Nice. Pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. All right. You got the complaint forms? Oh, he's gonna give them to me? Okay, cool, thank you. Even though they're supposed to be out in the public areas, but... What was that? What do you mean? Why is this is a public area? So what's this area here for? Where it's open is a hallway here. I'm just taking 4 pictures here and I'll be right back. Yeah, whatever. She's telling me to stay in the front. So then have a freaking restricted area sign there or something. This is a public bathroom. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in the front because it's a public bathroom right there. All right, guys, so I can't pass through that. So I don't know what this lady's talking about. See, look, women's bathroom open as well. Can I ask you a question real quick?
He's coming. My supervisor is coming.
Why can't I come by here? Why are you telling me that? This is public access, correct?
Yeah, no, but we speak with the public in the front.
Yeah, I know, but anywhere there's public access, I take pictures of the building. Yeah, that's all. Okay, cool. He's coming now? Thank you. Out there somewhere.
How you doing, sir? Sergeant Rodriguez.
That's it.
Okay. You want an actual physical complaint?
Yeah, I need 2 of them.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, and they're supposed to be in the lobby for the public, man. Get a couple extra ones to leave them out here, too. Thank you.
You want to have a seat or?
No, I just need a couple complaint forms.
Couple
I
complaints.
took some pictures here in the lobby, and that's it.
Beautiful. Okay.
All right.
Do you need the internal affairs office number 2 or no?
Well, if you want to go ahead and give me that.
I'll provide you that.
And 2 forms.
Got it.
All right, cool. Awesome.
Just give me 2 minutes.
No problem, bro.
Got it. Thank you.
I got all day. I'm just curious, how long you been in the force?
2 years.
2 years? Do you like your job? Hello? That wasn't nice. That wasn't nice. Do you guys think that was nice? I don't think that was nice. She's sitting there on the phone. Excuse me.
Sir.
I'm just curious. You just completely cut me off on a quick.
I'm sorry. I saw this phone call.
Oh, okay,
I've been here 2 years. I love my job.
okay.
And it's got great department.
Nah, that looks kind of rude. You just walked away after I asked her a question. All right. She walked away over a phone call, which I don't believe. But there you have it.
These are the brochures for internal affairs.
Okay.
I'm giving you 2.
So,
I'm
okay.
giving you my card with my ID number and website. In the back, you're gonna have the internal affairs section, their phone number, Monday through Friday, 8 to 4 p.m. Commander Gonzalez runs the division there.
Of this division.
internal affairs to file complaints against officers.
Okay,
and wrongdoing.
so what do you got? What is these are complaint forms?
Correct.
So I should turn it in.
This is everything, and you're gonna have the information. You can keep this.
Okay. So
This is where the
this
office is.
This is nothing that I can fill out. You guys don't have.
You can go and
Like, how am I supposed to explain what happened
Okay, so you
against the officer? You know what I mean?
you can file directly with them. You can go in person, or you can do it over the phone.
Oh,
be
you guys don't
anonymous
have.
and everything,
You guys
too.
anonymous.
Yeah.
You guys should have forms though, which I can explain. You know what happened, and turn them in whenever I feel like
I
it.
can take your
and-
complaint in on a form and then forward.
It's all right, bro. It's all right. It's just weird. So you guys don't have no like paper forms that people can fill out and write out what happened.
We have again, this office will do it. The Internal Affairs office will do it for you.
All right, it's the first time I ever hear something like this, but that's cool, man.
Again, I'm a supervisor.
I appreciate your demeanor, though. It's all right. I wanted to, go home, write it calmly on my own time, and think well about what happened in every detail of the complaint, and then turn it in.
Okay, so maybe a suggestion would be if you want to actually write your complaint out.
And like in a piece of paper?
Yeah,
And then
you can go in the office or you can call.
All right, I'll do that.
And again, if you're close by in a close proximity within the jurisdiction, maybe a supervisor will come out to you.
Okay, cool.
Again, that's my card, ID number, and if you have the same phone numbers here as well.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Absolutely.
Any other questions? I'm Sergeant Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. All right, cool, man. And the badge number again?
8456.
Yeah, it's right.
It's on the card, though.
I'm so used to asking you guys name and badge number before I go.
I'm very open and transparent. So.
Hey, thank you. That's what we're doing.
This video is a reminder that knowing your rights isn't just about confrontation. It's about preparation. Some officers may fail the public trust, but others, like Sergeant Rodriguez, prove that professionalism still exists. Always film, always ask questions, and never let a badge silence your voice. In the age of cameras, accountability is no longer optional. It's inevitable. What happens when simply parking your car turns into a full-blown confrontation over your identity? In this video, a traveler finds himself surrounded by police at a Walmart parking lot, all because a manager felt uncomfortable. What starts as a casual visit quickly spirals into a debate over the Fourth Amendment, lawful detainment, and whether asking for ID is justified when no crime has been committed. Get ready to witness a standoff between personal rights and perceived authority.
Yeah, I'm leaving, so I just
Okay,
I was just getting things ready to take off. I just kind of knew you see my plates.
Let me ask you this: why you get out the car with your hands up?
Well, because I see a block practically blocking my way out. I think I go that way on the highway, so it's you got this and this. I might as well get out. Okay, what's your name? T. Tucker, C. Brandon. All right. Yeah, I understand. I talked with the manager. I don't know what he said, but I just ignored him. He greeted me and I ignored him, and he got mad at me. So that's why you guys are here.
Okay. Well,
unless he said other things. That's as far as my comprehension of what happened and why you're here.
Your tag say Washington. Where you headed?
Just traveling.
You just traveling?
Yeah.
Where are you from, other than Washington?
Just a traveler.
You're just a traveler?
Yeah. You guys don't.
So you have no destination?
Well, not really. I'm kind of heading north. It's getting kind of warm down here. So
you came from the state of Washington or Washington D.C.?
What?
Did you come from the state of Washington or Washington D.C.?
You've never seen that plate. That's what you're telling me.
So it's the state of Washington, right?
Obviously, no, but obviously, you're telling me that you've never seen that plate.
No, I have. I'm asking you.
You're trying to see if I'm comprehensive of what I have here?
It seems like you're trying to make you're trying to be defensive.
I'm trying to understand where you're coming from. I'm just.
Well, we have a call, so
we
have to investigate.
And I told you heard me
so
what
at this point, do you have your driver's license on you?
Oh yeah, I can trade driver's license with you, sure.
Where is it?
Where's yours?
We're not going to trade.
And both of you, actually, I'd like to see both of your driver's license.
I'll give you my business card, but we're not trading driver's licenses.
Okay, well, that's my answer then too.
So are you a free inhabitor? Is that what you're saying?
A free inhabitor? What's that?
I'm asking you. You said you're traveling.
You made up a definition, and you're asking me to define it. It's like me telling you a French word and telling you how to interpret it.
Well,
what's a free inhabitor? I've never.
I said that word in hopes that you would know what it means. If you don't know what it means, then you're not in that category that I'm referring to.
Okay.
At this point, you do need to present your United States driver's license or whatever state you choose to come from.
I need to see yours in exchange.
Yours first, sir.
Yours first. You're the one who approached me. You guys come to me first.
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
Are you refusing to identify who
you're?
you're?
I'm with the Hewitt
Okay,
Police Department.
I'm gonna need some picture ID.
Well, at least can you give me your name then? What is your name? I
Okay,
gave you my name.
Okay, I am the owner of this car. Yep, and my last name is Hines.
What's
so
your
you'll
first
see
name,
that.
Mr. Hines?
Okay, T. What's T mean?
Tron.
Tron. Okay,
Yeah.
and then C. What's C for Brandon? Huh?
Clint.
Clint.
Yes.
And Tron. I've never heard Tron before. That's a first. Is it like the movie?
Tron. Yes. Like the bike. Like the
yeah,
bike.
like the 80s movie, right? Tron.
Yeah, it was a game.
Oh, it was a bike.
Game
it was a bike too.
It was a video game first.
First, and then they made a bike
Then
after.
They made a movie. No, the video game was a bike, sir.
Yeah, video game, movie, and then a bike. Okay.
Mr. Hines, you didn't give me your first name now.
Yeah, it's Travis. And I'm the owner of this, of course. Yeah, have a look around. Yeah, sorry you had to call. It's just
name, Mr. Hines. Hines.
It's like the ketchup bottle. So
Hines.
No, that's. Do you know how you spell the ketchup bottle?
That's the way he spelled it.
You also believe that it's what?
Hines.
Okay, you obviously don't buy that brand. It's okay. It's Heinze.
Hinze.
You want to play the camera back? What kind of camera are you using anyway? Digital Alley? Is that what I'm reading? What's the brand and model of that camera? You guys have
a YouTube channel?
YouTube. Oh yeah, just a small channel there. Yeah, I don't have many subscribers, but yeah, I like to record my drives.
What's your date of birth, sir?
Oh, sure. May I have your date of birth in exchange?
We're not gonna
and both of you actually.
We're not gonna keep playing these games.
What? You're playing games with me by asking me questions and telling me that I have to answer. You're starting this game, and I'm willing to play. But if you're not, then that's fine.
Let me ask you this.
You see that
your name is Travis Hines,
yep,
right?
Yep.
What did this?
You see, yeah. What is a? Oh, you're waiting on that. You're not able to type it into your computer and come up with the. You rely on dispatch.
Especially if it's out of state.
Yeah. Oh, because it's inter state or whatever. Okay. Huh. Yeah, plates should come back as being good, and well, I mean, driver's license. This isn't a traffic stop. What kind of stop is this?
Well, let me ask you this. What if I told you I need all this information?
Yeah.
Because we're going to criminal trespass from this property.
Yeah, I'm willing to leave.
You present that information, wouldn't it? If you know the law, you know the law, right?
Well, you know what the Fourth Amendment.
Do
you know what Fourth Amendment?
You are legally seized.
Yeah, you know
you are legally seized.
You know the Fourth
I have
Amendment.
To investigate.
You know how the Fourth Amendment works.
I just told you you're legally seized. I am
okay.
investigating.
And in return, you are demanding information from me. That's a Fourth Amendment violation.
No, it's not.
So that's a criminal violation.
Why
I also.
Identify yourself as not a Fourth
I just
Amendment
told
violation.
you we're filling out a form because you're no longer able to come back to this Walmart, right?
That's okay.
So if I have to have the information to fill out that form.
Yeah, I'm willing to.
That makes sense?
I'm willing to leave, sure.
So,
are you going to write some paperwork up or something?
You can't leave yet.
Oh, I'm being detained for the crime of what?
Criminal trespass.
Criminal trespass? Okay, sure. All right. And I did something wrong to cause a criminal trespass in a shopping. So this isn't a private. This isn't a
private property can decide at any time criminal trespass.
Yeah.
You don't have to
this
do
isn't like
other
somebody's
than
house. I mean, this is a shopping center where they attract people to shop.
Owned shopping center.
Yeah, but it's not somebody's house. It's not like I wandered.
Houses. Why are you bringing houses?
Well, because I'm saying they attract people to this place to shop, and then suddenly I don't.
You can go to any other Walmart except this one at 733 Sun Valley. Okay, that makes sense.
Sure.
You can go to any other Walmart except this one.
Yeah.
There's one on at the bottom of.
And you're going to talk to the manager. Did you talk to the manager first, or you talked to me first?
They talked to us first.
Okay, they're just on the phone.
So,
okay.
Mr. Travis Hines, what's your date of birth?
Here, I'm willing to exchange that
And is your-
information with you.
Is this out of Washington? What state are you out of?
Yeah,
Where's your
I got-
driver's license out of?
It's all out of Washington. Yeah.
Then what is your date of birth?
I'm willing to exchange that information with you.
I'm not
because
giving you my
you're violating.
information.
You're trying to violate my Fourth Amendment rights.
I just told you this is not a violation.
Yes, it is.
You're legally seized.
Okay,
You're in detention.
if your district attorney will back you up, go ahead and
So
do what you
want
need
me-
to do.
You want me to call a district attorney here?
Yep, that's who's
for
representing
a
you.
misdemeanor C. Who's representing you? That's not what you're understanding. That's like me telling you to get the mayor from Washington here to identify yourself.
He doesn't do the prosecution. I don't know why you need.
That's
you
like
need
me
him.
telling you to get
That's
your
all
mom
political.
because she named you.
You know,
to identify yourself. That's not how it works. Sir.
I'm
We're
talking
not
only
bringing
about.
no one else
I'm
here.
talking only about the judicial
You're making
branch,
this really hard for
not
no
the
reason.
executive, not the legislative, the judicial. And
You're making this hard for no reason.
That's
You're
the
bringing up
district.
terms that does not matter. We're trying to just fill out criminal
Well,
trespass, okay?
when you file your charges, it's the district attorney who takes it to court.
Why do you think that this is not going anywhere?
Okay.
You're not being charged with anything. But
Okay.
we do have a legal right to fill out our criminal trespass form.
okay.
Do you not understand that?
And I'm willing.
You're not legally
I'm
charged with a
making
crime,
a
so why are we needing any of those people?
I need the
At
documents.
this point, sir, I need your date of birth.
Okay, I need the document too, and I'm willing to
You
exchange
have it on your camera.
I need to hear your date of birth, and then I'm willing to tell you
If you
mine.
need any more information about Officer Tuck with the City of Hewitt Police Department, you call the City of Hewitt.
Nah, they're
Give you
not
any more
gonna.
information.
No, I need it right now. Do you need my information right now? You could call later and get my information.
You didn't give me your phone number.
You
I
can
don't
talk
know
to your
phone number.
dispatch. Go to dispatch and find out all this information.
Dispatch don't hold phone
They
numbers.
probably got notes under my name.
That's not how
about
it works.
What do the notes say?
You're out of Washington. This is Texas. We don't have notes for people out of Washington.
All right.
So
Well,
good try.
No, out of names, not just the states.
That's how
That-
it works.
You're not going
Do
to
you
talk.
think we keep all the names of everyone in the United States and all the notes of everyone in the United States?
Well, I'm
No.
sure you got. I'm
We
sure you
only
got
keep it for our
notes.
state of Texas,
I'm sure
sir.
you got notes under names.
Mr. Hines, why are you trying to be difficult?
Why are you being difficult? I'm
As
asking.
soon as you
All I'm asking
identify
for.
yourself, you'll be free to leave.
All I'm asking for is your date of birth. I mean,
I'm not
both
giving
of
you
you
my
too.
information.
And also, what brand of camera are you using anyway?
That is the most irrelevant thing I've
No,
heard.
it's pretty relevant. It could be. You could have problems with the camera in some way. How is this documented? Does it go to the cloud? I mean, that's pretty relevant.
We're getting off
could,
topic.
You could lose it.
We're
you
getting
know,
off topic.
this video could be lost.
Do me a favor, okay? Let me get you to just sit down on the sidewalk, okay?
Sit on the sidewalk?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to join me on the sidewalk?
No.
What's the deal?
But I don't want you standing anymore. You're making this difficult. You're being really defensive.
All right, you're being just like that manager. It seems odd. Why you guys got to be so aggressive?
Sit in your
about
car. That'd be better.
Well, I'll sit on the sidewalk. But
Sure, thank you.
what's the deal? What do you?
Well, I don't want to pat you down because you haven't gave me any reason to pat you down.
All
But
right.
I don't want you standing anymore if we're going to just sit here and argue the whole time. So just sit down for me, okay?
Okay, sure, all right.
I appreciate that, Mr. Hines.
You don't want to give me your date of birth. It's odd. Yeah, sorry it had to come to this. I mean, this manager is just odd. Maybe you should have another talk with him.
This encounter reminds us just how fragile our rights can feel when misunderstood authority steps in. You don't need to be a criminal to be treated like one. Just being different or refusing to answer questions is sometimes enough. Always stay calm, know the law, and never surrender your rights just to make someone else comfortable. Freedom isn't convenient, it's constitutional.